This is Emuhi Road. Look at people on the hole. Look at people on the hole. Look at people on the hole. Look at Emuhi Ukmeni Road. We have Senator Odia. We have Clifford Odia. Senatorial District. Look at people on the hole. This is the road. We have Clifford Odia, Joe Ejonwele on this Senatorial District. Look at people on the hole. Look at hole. Oh my God. May God save life. Look at the Senator Odia and what Clifford is controlling. Esan Senatorial District. They are a failure to their generation. Look at Emuhi Ukmeni Road. This is Emuhi Ukmeni Road. This is the road Clifford Odia, Senator Odia are representing. Hey, God have mercy. Clifford Odia and Joe Ejonwele. This is what they are representing. This is the senatorial they are representing. May God have mercy on them. They have faith.
No rush here. Just take your time gradually. We'll pick you up. You have some things to go. You hear? Just gradually, small. If you tire, you rest small. Okay? You hear? Just come small.
We have a senators in this road.
Small.
Oh my God, they have faith.
Small.
Look at people are coming out of the hole with leather. Look at people are coming. Oh my God.
Keep up.
Oh my God. Senator has faith. Their generation will go on this punishment. The masses are suffering. The masses are suffering. Look at the Joe Ejonwele's road. This is the road Joe Ejonwele and Senator Odia. They are sanitary about. Oh my God.